Welcome to jazztime.com. Jazztime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at jazztime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Oyster Perpetual Datejust 41 in oyster steel with the Azzurro blue dial and an oyster bracelet. But wait a second, this one, instead of a smooth or fluted bezel, actually has a diamond bezel. That's because this bezel was actually placed at a customer's request from an aftermarket. These diamonds fit specifications because they are hand set, and these diamonds are also mined straight from the earth. No laboratory needed, no manufacturing, nothing, just plain regular diamonds. Well, more than just plain, because diamonds are quite extravagant in their own right. And just to show you, this is the original bezel that came on this watch at 41 millimeters across. And there are also the papers that came with the bezel to show that this bezel actually does retain the water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet, along with the case and the crown, which still functions just as you normally would. Simply unwind the crown. First position allows you to wind the watch. Second position allows you to change the date by rotating it clockwise, as per always. The final position stops the second hand and allows you to move the minute hand for precise timekeeping. Press the crown back up against the watch and screw it tight to maintain that superior water resistance. It's a oyster steel case, and the bracelet is also made of 3-piece flat links with the folding oyster clasp with the 5mm comfort extension. This is with it closed, and this is with it open. So again, this is it open right here for the extra 5 millimeters, and closed minus 5 millimeters, depending on your hydration throughout the day. Now, nothing is really different about the functionality of this watch. You can watch any of our videos on our website at jazztime.com for any of the models 126300, and they'll all basically tell you the same thing. It's a 41 millimeter case made of oyster steel, waterproof down to 100 meters. The movement is the 3235, made by Rolex in-house with the plus or minus 2 second per day time differential with the typical hour setting as I showed you using the crown. The oscillator is the paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring with high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers, so you can get close to magnets, you can go on a rough hike or anything with this watch and it will still keep time just fine. The power reserve coming with the 3235 caliber movement is 70 hours, so you can set this down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday morning, ready to conduct business with no need to wind the watch. And for good measure, trying this on and actually closing the clasp. There we go. Looks very good on the wrist. It's not too big and it's not too small. The bezel, if you notice, actually does flare out a tiny bit, but still there's no issue with it catching on a long sleeve, as I can show you right here. See, no issue. If I just pull it, no problems. So, taking a look at this dial, it is the Azzurro blue dial with the Roman index hour markers, and to top it all off with the diamond set bezel. Now, I believe that when in comparison to the original domed bezel, I believe that the diamond bezel actually gives it that final touch that this specific watch needed, as it does contain that very deep royal blue depending on your angle of light. And the Roman hour markers, which gives it a very distinguished look. Very sophisticated looking, and so the diamonds just really top it off and make it, to me, a very complete watch. So keep in mind that this diamond bezel was actually placed as an aftermarket at the customer's request. While we do sell the original version with the fluted or domed bezel, we can also get the custom set diamond bezel as well to really complete the look of this watch. So what are your thoughts with this? Does it seem like too much, or is it just right? Let us know down in the comments below, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share the video around, and if you want to buy this or any other watch, be sure to visit us at jazztime.com and put in your order today.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.